Most of people don't have problem with money, but a lot of business owners they have problem with organization and organizing their money. If you will separate just to simple buckets, you will know in future what money you need to save, how much money you can spend, how much money you can invest, and it will be easier for you with your finance sites in your business. In this video, I want to share with you how you can manage it, and it will be easier for you what we're using in our company. Hello everyone, my name is Rajan Durov, and we talk in this channel about the business. Question: why we need to separate in buckets? A lot of like business owners they have only one checking account, and when all money is coming to their account, is like mixed up. Yeah, it's like income where they need to pay the taxes, where they need to spend for the marketing, for operation, for everything. But if you will separate everything by categories, it will be easier for you to manage like how much money you have for marketing. You already separate money for taxes, you don't need to worry, and each category will make your life easier. I also can understand like if you think, well, why I need so much checking accounts, or it's too overwhelmed with everything, but to make it easier for you, if you will separate, it will be much easier and you can manage your finance side in your business and it be more healthy in the future. Let's talk about the buckets, what kind of buckets or category you will have. First of all, it's your main checking account, your main income, where all income coming to one account, and from that account you don't do any spending. So in this account you're holding your all income, and you know now it will be like one account where all income coming to you, and it will be easier for you to track. Some business owners they have like two three checking accounts. For example, if you have branches or you're doing some different kind of stuff, and it will be sometimes overwhelmed. For example, if you have like we have branch like two different branches, for example, cleaning business, so we need to separate different accounts. Some business owners they're doing one account, all money is coming, and after that they need to find out okay from which like branch this money. Based on this, you have each account for one income, like one branch, one source, depends on your business. And after that, of course, you need to have another like category. You can say it's bucket, like salary and payroll account. Maybe you're paying to contractors, you're paying to your employees, and you will distribute to this account only where you're doing the all like payroll payments and your contractors for the job. After that, you can have also for marketing, because marketing is important in any company. The marketing is very important because you're not able to take that money from marketing, because if you will start to cut from marketing, you will start to lose your leads, go down in your profit on your gross income. Because of this, you should have separate account where you won't touch like each category, each bucket. You never touch. You're spending that money for especially for that category, nothing else. So next one, what we need for operation, like operation, when you have rent, you have insurance, you have some other stuff like software, and so on and so on. What you need to operate your business, this account especially for that. So all money going to this account, and you spending from that account for your operation, for all operation costs to your company. For some business, sometimes you need like transportation costs, yes, like your car loan, car insurance, or like gas, like everything, parking. So if you will have like separate account, it'll be easier for you again to manage that. Are you able to have more cars, less cars you need to sell, and after that you will decide, do you have funds for this category or not, or you can have your own based on your business. One of the most important also, if you're using the loans, so like credit cards, you should have separate account where you will move your money for debt, for loans, for credit cards, or something like that. If your category will be there, you will keep save money. If you don't have loans, you will save money a little bit there. Maybe you won't need in future go to take a loan if you will have saved in this category, in this bucket, some money. So you will do kind of, you will loan yourself, you will just take money from that account and you will give it back like kind of with 0% interest rate, and it will make, and it will be easier for you, and it will make smarter way. And of course, we need like tax account, all the taxes. If you have sales tax, if you have business occupation tax, or some like corporate tax, any taxes, you will moving there to this like account, a category. No need to think later on that. What do you have money for sales tax or something like that? You will automatically will send money to this account, and you will always have money for taxes, because taxes they will never wait you. any delay, or if you didn't pay, you'll get the fine, and a lot of that bad things happening. So tax is important. You should have separate account for that, and you should keep save money up front, not to rely like, okay, like I will pay it later because I need to pay like quarterly or every half year, sometimes every month, depends on your business, depends on the size of your business. Also, we need owner's profit. As you owner, you should have profit from your company, right? And you need to keep safe there too. You need to send from your 100% of your gross income some percentage rate based on your business to your profit, and you will see like you have a profit or not. And to manage that business, why you have business, if you won't make any money, or like by end of the day you will have less money than everyone, like sometimes it don't make sense, yeah, right? And based on this, a lot of business owners, they have this issue when they're running a business, doing everything, they're paying salary, they have operation costs, everything, and by end of the day sometimes they don't have money for themselves to pay their regular bills or something like that. Even they have like company kind of in good shape, they have like gross revenue, like everything, but the owner don't have money. So the owner should have their own profit, and after that you managing the whole business, because if you will have good mood, everything will be stable, all your company will feel healthier. And of course we need to have emergency fund. If you will start to create at the beginning emergency fund where you will use it for some, because it's a business, like it's life also, we don't know what can happen. Where you will go, you will go to bank to get the loan for something emergency needed, like you will pay the interest rate with everything, it will be hard for you, and the interest rate of the bank will eat your income. Based on this, if you will start to create like your emergency fund for something if critical happening, and it will be easier for you for future, and it will be stable for you, and you don't need to have so lot of stress or thinking where I need to get that money. And last one I can say, like future investment for upgrade your business, to invest your business to something, but is not like kind of mandatory, I can say, but if you will have it, it will be much better. But this category, I think it's should be, because each business should grow every time. And if you'll have investment to try something, yes, try new marketing things, you want to try some new products and something like that. So this account will be only for that. Yes, when you're trying, all other money should like make your business work, and this money, if you will have it, you will try something new, it will work or not, okay, it's not working. If you will run your business with all operation costs, and you will take money from, it doesn't matter, from operation, from marketing, and something will be shaky, it's not make sense. But if you will separate this one for future, if you need for investment, you want to try something, you want to do it, you can take money, try it. If it didn't work, it won't hurt your company. If you have these all categories, these buckets, where you will have your money and you won't mess up with everything. Yes, you know, like you have for marketing, you have operation, you have for that. If you're like, for example, operation going higher and you don't have that money, you need to work on this operation. Maybe you need to cut something based on your situation in that moment, and you will see if your company is healthy, if your company can operate with these expenses. If not, so we need to cut it, we need to manage something, yes. And same with all these categories, and it will make your life much easier. If your business will be well organized, everything will be so smoothly, rather than if it will be chaos, it will be hard for you. How we can use it? As I told you, we can have different checking accounts, and by the end of the week or every day, you will send money from your main account, where all income coming to this another like category buckets, and you will send it to there based on the percentage rate of each buckets. How to use it is very simple. When all money is coming to your main checking account, where all income is there, after that, daily or every Friday, you will send to all that buckets by percentage rate. You should count that one, how much you need to send to each bucket, and after that, like, you can do daily, or we have some banks who can help you automatically. You can set up automation there, and every day or every Friday by end of the week, the bank will like redistribute this all money to different buckets, and it will be easier for you. And even you don't need to do it. If you want to do it manually, you can do it manually. You can sit by end of the Friday, by end of the day, and just redistribute it for different like checking accounts, and after that it will be easier for you to manage it. And when you need to spend money, you just spending from correct bucket. You're taking money from that bucket and you're spending for that cost or that expenses you need, and you never mix with everything, and it will be super organized for you and it will be really helpful. This is how you will stay safe and your business will be safe and healthy, and you will understand much better on all expenses you can afford or you cannot afford to spend on some category or not. And this is how you will stay safe and you will have opportunity to grow, and you won't do overspend for each category in your business, and you will know how much money you have and that money you're spending. Your business will be much healthier if you will do this way. So each bucket have your percentage distribution based on your business. You should use your calculation. It's hard to say for everyone. Yes, we have some standards, but each business a little bit differently. You manage your business differently. I can say only some standards range to how much it can be, how much minimum, maximum, but you shouldn't work on these numbers because your business is your business. You know much better than anyone and you know how to manage it. But I can give you some basic like numbers. For example, if you will take the salaries for service business, it can be like 30 to 40%. It will be healthy for your business. In this salary, it will include everything, all your salary, even your salary as well. And yes, this is standard, 30 to 40%. Can you do it or in your business same? Maybe not, maybe yes, I don't know. It's hard to say, yep. But it's healthy like standard. It all depends on your business. If your this category is too high, maybe you need to work and you need to reduce it. Operation it can be around 15 to 20%, but again, it all depends on your business, how you do in operation. Sometimes can be less, much less. Sometimes can be more, but if you more than 20%, you need to work on that. If you less than 15, 10%, it's great. All depends on your business. It's hard to say exactly because again, each business is different. For marketing, around 10%. It can be lower, it can be higher, but again, if you want to earn more money, you will spend for more for marketing. But again, you need to work with your marketing smarter. You need to track everything in the marketing that this marketing channel bring you customer. This marketing channel is bringing you quality leads or not. So average is 10%, but can be 5 to 15%. Some businesses I know they're spending 25%, 20%. Someone is 3 to 4, but in average I think it should be like 5 to 10%. And all other categories is hard to predict and hard to say because on taxes it depends in many factors. Yes, with debt, loans, same. With future investments, with emergency funds, it's hard to say. It depends on how much you left. Yes, but also you need to work with your like profit, owner's profit. Your business should bring you profit. You should set there too. Maybe it will be hard from the beginning, but you need to come to some numbers. Yes, like each business need to bring for owner about 5 to 10% at least. Yes, at least 5%. But if we bring more, it's great. But if it would be range 5 to 10%, it's already good because a lot of businesses the profit margin I think is 5 to 15% in average. Sometimes can be more. If it's going less than 5%, you need to think about that. You need to work with everything in your company and to bring at least to 5%. Why this system works? This system will make you safer, make your business healthier. And if you will see some numbers, sometimes I understand it's hard for business owners to when they're starting or they're doing some business, like with a lot of stuff you need to work. Yes, you need to manage everything in your business. You need to understand, learn everything, and sometimes it's hard to do. Like maybe you don't have time to Excel sheets. You're doing that things, but it will be easier if you will just divide to these categories. That's it, kind of a little bit done I can say, because you will see the what you have. Do you have money for that or not? And later on when you will used to work on that, and later on when you will learn more in like profit and loss, balance sheet, and all other stuff, at the beginning I think it's very good like to separate by category, by buckets in your business checking account, and it will help you to manage more healthier. If you want your money work for you, you should create some system. small system in everywhere. I understand when you're starting a business, it's super hard, like it's overwhelmed because you need to do everything. Everywhere need a system with hiring, with operation, with providing for customers, with everything, with finance. But this basic thing, if you will separate by category in finance, it will help you a lot, and you will be ahead a lot of things what will happen in the future, because you will see exactly the numbers in your checking accounts for each category. Because if you have just one, you will look to your business checking account, you will see, okay, I have this x amount of money, and you don't know exactly what is money there for each category, for what you can spend. A lot of business owners at the beginning, they see money, they're taking money for themselves, they're doing that, or they spend to something, they're buying some supplies, so they're buying to their office, they're doing that things, they're doing another things, and after that they don't have money for some critical things in that moment, and they need to use loans, or they're just waiting, or they past due with the invoices. Based on all of this, if you will start to work smarter, it will be easier for you, and you will learn, you will make a good habit to work with your finance. Also, you can use it for your personal life. If you use your personal life, it will help you too if you will categorize. So I hope this video will help you when you building your business, when you're starting your business, or you already have your business. If you will slowly move to this like bucket system, it will be easier for you to manage, and it will be healthier for you to your business to work and to grow. Start to separate your money right now and learn how to do it. Sometimes it's feeling hard, overwhelmed, like how will do it, so many checking accounts, blah blah blah. Later you will say thank you for yourself because you did it, and your company will be much healthier if you will do it at the beginning or any stage, like if you'll start it today. I hope this system, this strategy will help to your business and you will grow, and wish you good luck and see you.